And I want to ask both of you what you thought about this. Do you think it's still a disparity? I know in 2022, the BCCI and Jay Shah actually announced that there would be parity in fees for men and women. But imagine this happened in 2022, that late. But Mithali, I'll start with you. In terms of this remuneration or bonus or whatever one should call it, do you feel that this gap between the 125 crores and the 51 crores is something that bothers you, or do you think it's okay?
I think it should. One thing is that why, when we say we should not compare men's and women's cricket, then we shouldn't be comparing even this. For the fact that, I believe that there is growth, there are steps taken. It might be slow, but at least it's moving forward. We are not stagnated, or BCCI is not stagnated in the way they are handling women's cricket. We came under BCCI in 2007. Yes, it took a while. In 2016, 15, 16, we got our contracts. And since then, you can see there has been steps taken slowly to give the facilities, to get the women's cricket in streamlined. Then there are matches being televised. WPL has been launched and commercialized by Mr. Jay Shah. Then you have Shadow Series, India A Series, which we didn't have before. The Under-19 World Cups have started, 2 editions. India won Under-19 World Cup. And when we talk about having camps, exclusive skill camps, which we never had before, like batting camp or a bowling camp, we've never gone through those camps. We just had India camps, maybe about 10 days camp. But now the current team prepare for the World Cup. They started a year or before, and the current team had about 18 to 20 support staff, which probably we've never seen in our life, in our careers. It is more than the number of players in the team. They're 15-member squad, but they have the support staff about 20. I mean, this is not spoken about, but BCCI is doing their bit in the last 3-4 years. Yes, it will probably come to that point. When you say the evolution of men's cricket and women's cricket is very different, they've not been, they didn't have the same trajectory of growth. So then why do we have to get the amount and compare it like it's when they won the T20 World Cup and the women? I'm sure maybe in the coming years again, when India gets a hand on.
But Mithali, think of yourself coming back as runners up from the World Cup, getting 1,000 rupees. Maybe because you've gone through that, 51 crores seems gigantic, but the principle is BCCI, Sharda said BCCI is cash rich. They could have given women the same money. You're saying, if I understand you correctly, steps are being taken, but the evolution of men and women's cricket is very different. So you can't compare money, apples for apples.
Yeah, basically. if you have to compare, then we'll have to be fair. We have to compare everything, right?
Okay.
That we are not doing. We are comparing only which we think is convenient enough that, okay, we are not on par with men. But look at the standard of men's cricket. Look at the number of events and tournaments they've won so far. And they've been doing that for a long time. We've cracked it now. So maybe in the next 10 years, you probably will see the growth fast forward. I mean, it will probably shoot. And then in 10 years time, if you tell me, if they would have announced 100, 115, we would have said, okay, back then the first World Cup they won, they got 51 crores. This amount will look small for you.
Sure.
So I'm not of the opinion that you should compare how much they've got. I think I'm very happy the way BCCI has actually gone about organizing this event. We were part of 2013 World Cup, which again was under BCCI at home in Mumbai. We were playing at CCI. The preparation for that World Cup there was absolutely no preparation. We came from 2020 format of Asia Cup and straight into the World Cup. And there was no trophy. There was no unveiling of trophy. On this World Cup, I've seen on a different level. There was so much of, ads happening. There were hoardings everywhere telling people there is a World Cup game here in your own city. Turn up to the stadiums. It requires all of that, and BCCI has done that now. So yes, give it time. I'm sure women's cricket on its own can stand, and it will grow, and it will come to a point where we are today, in 10 years' time, it will grow big.
Fair. Julian, do you agree?
Honestly speaking, definitely most important thing is in getting the support, the preparation time, what BCCI provide our girls. The last 3 years, they have given a lot of overseas tournament, lot of bilateral series, lot of one-on-one session with the coaches, specialist session, well, batting, bowling, or skills sessions. Those are the most important thing, preparing for the World Cup, big event. But I think yes, you'll get whatever bonus BCCI gave, and that will be a never-ending argument. It will be it can go on and on. But the most important thing, where BCCI conduct this tournament in India, what Mr. Mithali said 2013, and nobody knows that we are playing a World Cup in Mumbai. Not even one person has come down for watching our game. So from there onward and now, it's a huge jump. And whenever matches are playing in different venues, and there was a lot of crowd, lot of buzz was going on. I think those are the moments. I think this World Cup definitely motivate new generation. But yes, financially, that BCCI will decide. That's their job. But our job, our girls' job, they have done it. And whatever BCCI gave them preparation, that was outstanding. And what BCCI did few years ago, WPL changed the perception of our girls. They start believing they can beat any team, any day, anywhere. Why? Playing in a big ground, playing in front of those crowd, playing with the quality overseas players. Learn those things, and they're also getting money. It's not that they're not getting money in WPL. So I don't think so. You can compare with the money and that other stuff. So for me, where BCCI is supporting women's cricket, especially after Jaisa sir take over, and where he support women's cricket at this moment, I think incredible. I wish we have in our playing days this kind of person who can come support us. Maybe both of us won another 2-3 World Cup.
Oh, well.